Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change font in Adobe Acrobat 2024. So firstly, I'm gonna going to this Adobe Acrobat. Now click on any PDF. Now click on Edit PDF. Choose. You can write anything from here. I'm gonna writing just write anything. Choose this. Just choose this for writing, and you'll find here fonts format. You can see that this drop down menu, right? Click on this drop down menu and you can find many fonts. Just choose the fonts and it will change. Okay, you can change to any fonts you want. That's up to you. So guys, this is how you can change font in Acrobat. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.